It's November, it's Monday, and it's time for an update. So let's check out the garden. But before we do that, we're gonna talk about a major pH issue I've been having this week. We're gonna plant some sketchy seeds that I got in the mail, and a little bit about ppms. Now let's get to it. I ordered some water spinach seeds online, and this is how it came. Just in a little brown paper bag stuffed in an envelope with no markings. It's kinda sketchy. It's supposed to be water spinach seeds. We're gonna plant them anyway. So let's get started.
Perfect.
Okay, the first thing I noticed was the damage on the leaves. And then I went to check my pH and it was sitting at 5.4. 5.4, guys. Way too low. And then realized that I fill up my water in the bathtub and my wife had her family over to do hair before Thanksgiving. But anyway, they all rinse their hair in this shower that we never use, and that's where I keep my buckets that I use to do top-offs. So I'm guessing as they were rinsing their hair, this water with chemicals for coloring got in some of my buckets. And when I did a top-off, or 3 or 4 days ago, these chemicals got into my system. So I quickly emptied the reservoir and I did a reservoir change out. Now here's a ppm EC pH chart. You can screenshot that so you have something to go by to help you out. So according to this chart, for cabbage, pH is 6.5 to 7.0. ppms, parts per million, 1750 to 2100. My ppms are sitting at 971. My pH is sitting at 6.6, water temp 65 degrees. I'm gonna leave it at this ppm for a couple days and then eventually bump it up. These are some giant noble spinach seedlings. We're gonna get rid of the basil and plant these in our little hydroponic system. It's been a few days and they're already looking better. Make sure you catch the next weekly update. Thanks for watching.